Gotham Solar expands its footprint in South India by inaugurating new warehouse in Bangalore, 6th August 2024. Gotham Solar, a leading name in India's renewable energy sector, inaugurated a new warehouse in Bangalore at its Gotham Solar Tech workshop and press conference held in the city on 6th August, marking a significant step in expanding its reach to South India. This strategic move aims to provide the region with advanced solar technology and power assistance, further solidifying Gotham Solar's commitment to driving India's emergence as a leading solar hub.
At Gotham Solar Private Limited. Gotham Solar is a leading solar module manufacturing last 27 years. And recently we have launched our N-type TOPCon solar panels, and that is available in our warehouse. Recently which we have launched our warehouse in Ramra, Bangalore. So that's why we have arranged such kind of workshop to aware the people about the panels, as well as they can who's looking for the panels for the like rooftop and for the commercial industrial purpose also, they can get the panels from our warehouse. Sir, recently we have our manufacturing units in Uttarakhand, and we have our corporate office in New Delhi. So, and we coordinate Pan India from there, but we have lots of warehouse in Pan India, sir. We have a fully automatic manufacturing units. We have multiple manufacturing that are fully automatic. We are expanding our capacity up to 5 gigawatt in the next we will achieve in the next financial year, and we have a lots of warehouse in like in Pan India, so that makes a difference from our company. And
we also have multiple patents in solar industries. We have our first patent is for the frame, innovative frame design that we have. If you want to go a power plant setup, that will help to halve the numbers of fasteners used in the projects. First patent is for that, and second is the patent is for the busing tool. It is a tool for a machining in that's the increase the speed of string machine. And we also filed one patent also for a transportation. We have warehouse, and we have multiple sales service offices in Bangalore and in Karnataka, in South, in all over state, in all over districts. We have all service stations. And we
in South market. Yeah. If we talk about the south part, the response is very good, and we supply to the EPC companies, and good response we get from the EPC. And actually we are manufacturers, and we supply to the EPC.
And we supply approx 100 megawatt to in Bangalore. In Karnataka, in all over Karnataka, we have supply 100 megawatt.
Yeah. Any expansion plan?
Yes, we have expansion of our manufacturing setup. We want to expand our manufacturing unit to 5 gigawatt. The factory basically made in 50 acres of land. So that's why we want to expand our manufacturing unit to 5 gigawatt, which we will achieve in this financial years.